Yeah, we just arrived in Ikea. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Erica, for another vlog. And for today's video, we're going to Ikea. And we just have some things to buy in Ikea. And then we also want to see what's in for today's, for this year. So it's Chinese New Year yesterday. So let's see what's in Ikea for 2025. And just want to check the seasonal furnitures they have as well. So also, we want to eat in Ikea, of course, because it's quite cheap there. So, come to Ikea with us! We just arrived in Ikea, and someone thought it's gonna be quiet, but it's not. It's clearly quite busy, although it's like almost 2 p.m. I don't know why, but it's a Friday, it's a weekend, it should be quiet, but it's still busy, maybe because a lot of people are trying to buy things in Ikea too. So come, let's go to Ikea. And yes, it's raining, of course, we're in England. That means it's raining. Yay! Welcome to Ikea. Oh, I like this one. Oh yeah. I think they got new designs here, like new arrangements, because sometimes we go here from time to time and it's the same, but now it's all new and I like it. It's nice. I like Ikea so much. Comment down below if you want more Ikea vlogs, because I really like going to Ikea. And when you go to Ikea, it feels like, ooh, I want to make this kind of thing in my house, in my flat. Just looks so homey too. Look. I'll give you your whiskey, okay? Here's your whiskey.
It's new though.
Yeah. This is new from Ikea, something new. You can cook here. Although this is tiny. That's so much space. And you can use this one. Look, this is tiny. Look. This should be my fridge. Look, you should do this in my fridge. You can go on the sides. Look, it's Mia's birthday. Happy birthday, Mia. So nice. This is new as well. This is good. And then you go here. Trolley for 25 pounds. And you got different colors available.
Yeah, I like that. But it's too white.
And then you do it like this. And it's only 15 pounds. It's reduced to clear. Here we went to check for a king size mattress because Harry wants a king size bed, and I think this is the one we wanted. This is the one we chose. It's quite comfy though. I like quite firm mattress. Nice idea here. Look, you open it and then you would see a vanity. This is so cute. Then, oh gosh, oh, they got toys too. Tiny toys. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, these tiny toys are really cute, especially if I'm like a little girl. I would really love this. I'll play luto-lutuan and oh wow, look at that. If I'm a little girl, I would love this when I'm playing. It's for 69 pounds. Gosh, look at that. My favorite bit, eating time. So we're here to get duvet covers, a king size one. That's a double. To my favorite bit, the plant area. It's pay time.
I don't know if we have any discounts.
Hopefully the family card will have discount.
It's only certain products.
It's like airport. So Harry is now making the drawers or assembling the drawers. And yeah, he doesn't need my help, which is really good. I can nap. And yeah, we'll not be able to show you what we bought because some of it are in use already. The moment we came home, the king size duvet is here. The duvet cover was set up already. And these are like the dividers that we have. Mine's the white one. And his one's the gray one. Then we'll put it in a drawer and organize the closet. And yeah, I'll show you him doing the bits.
It's not very impressive though.
He is assembling it in the game room. And if you want guys to have a game room tour, just comment down below so we can encourage him to have a game room tour with all his games here. Telly and consoles as well. That's him. It's like game room / guest room as well. So that's it. And now it's finished. Come see the final outlook. Ta-da! Well done! So guys, everything's finished. It's time for me to arrange everything in this bed now. So yeah, I'll see you guys for the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!